Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are drawing cute bamboo plant in a pot. If you prepared a piece of paper and something to draw with, we are good to go. Let's get started. I will begin with the pot. One line in the middle of the paper, maybe a little bit longer. Okay, and from the sides we will draw two lines going down. I will draw cute little legs here. And one more in the middle. And connect. Let's draw one more line here. And this is the main shape of our pot. And we will draw the face later. Now let's draw a bamboo. It's very easy to draw. Two parallel lines here and close with the narrow oval. And go on the same. Two parallel lines and an oval. And one more time. Two parallel lines and the oval. Alright, and here we will draw the same shape, a little bit shorter. Alright, now we are going to draw leaves. Start with the left side. A stem. And two small leaves here. One and two. Okay, the same here. Two lines. And the leaves. And two more leaves on the top. Again the stem. Here I will draw a little bit bigger leaves. One and two. And now we can draw the face. Two ovals for the eyes and highlights. Fill in inside of the eyes. I will add eyebrows. And a cute smile. And I almost forgot, we should also draw some details on the leaves. Just simple lines in the middle of each leaf. Like so. And that's it for the line work. Now we are going to color our cutie. I will fast forward the process of coloring. Don't miss the extra tips at the end of the video. The coloring was fast and easy, and I love how cute is our bamboo plant. And after you learn how to draw a potted plant, you can get creative and try to draw another one. For example, make a panda pot for this bamboo, or draw your favorite type of plant. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay inspired, have fun drawing, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!